I'm so bored. What am I gonna do today? I should clean my room soon. Ooh, I know. Let's do another Trick-or-Treat video, even though the last one only came out 4 days ago. That's a good idea. Today we're gonna do one in a fine with nature. This movie looks really sad and depressing. Ooh, there's a zombie come out of the ground. What is this? Friday the 13th Part 6? All this movie is just walking and birds chirping noises. That's what it all is. Lots and lots and lots of walking. That's it. No music, no editing. It's just walking. Why is this movie full screen but not widescreen? This is, I guess it's meant to go for an old campy style, but I don't know. It just looks ugly. This chase scene is the most epic thing I've seen in the whole world. So you're telling me I watched these characters chase each other for like 10 minutes and the first kill's off screen? This movie sucks so far. The characters in this movie suck. None of them are memorable, and they have really bad acting. The only good character is Shawnee, and, well, yeah, at least he gets a lot of screen time, but these characters, I don't even care about. The equivalent best as a Friday for Team character, which makes sense, because this is a Friday for Team movie unedited. But even then, I would say the Friday for Team characters are better. At least Friday for Team like Tommy Jarvis, and the Tonica's girl from Part 7, what's her name, Tina, and we also had we also got the guy from Jason from the Knife movie or something. I don't even have a script for this video. I don't even know what to do. There is no music. This video is meant to make you guys fall asleep, like me. Okay, let's continue. Fun fact about behind the scenes. Did you know that they shot this film and then for some reason they reshot the entire film again? Wow. I guess the first version of the movie was so boring that it was unacceptable to watch. It's unbearable. So yeah, maybe that's why. I don't know. I don't feel like watching the behind the scenes. I am lazy. Ooh. I don't know, guys. This is a video. This video is in a fine with nature on the channel. It is boring. Ooh. Anyways, let's continue. The second half of the movie is gonna be more entertaining, right? Right? Oh my gosh, this kill was super good, actually. Finally, something good in the movie. Unfortunately, I can't show too much of it because of YouTube. Oh. Where's the chat? Please be thankful that this version is more cut out compared to the actual movie, because this is just the kill count. Well, not the one from Then Me, but a different one. Be thankful that I'm not showing you all this scene, because this scene is super long and super boring, and it's probably also going to get copyright claimed for even though this movie doesn't have any music. But since this video doesn't have any music, you can use it. All my videos are free of copyright. So that means you can steal my video and I wouldn't mind. Well, yeah, because I don't make money from these videos. Moving on to the next part or whatever. I'm running out of ideas. Oh my god, we finally got a good kill! Finally! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Unfortunately, I can't show this kill, but that's okay. Go see it for yourself. It's super good, and I even put in the Horror Master movie part 9, so, yeah! And after that, we get to see Johnny's face. I think it's after that. I could be wrong. I'm just losing track. And you know what? I think he looks pretty cool, but there's just one thing missing. If he's named Shawnee... Wait a minute. Hold on. My god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! He's not Johnny Cage! Oh my god! He looks nothing like him! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! And he doesn't even talk like Johnny Cage. Womp womp. Did you know when I first did this kill, it did not turn out good? Look at how it does now. Ooh! Now, the movie's starting to get entertaining. Finally. That's one thing. Where's the music, huh? Where's the music? Where's the music? Where is the music? This kill is cool, but it's so long. It's like 10 minutes long. Like, okay, we get it. This movie is realistic. Oh my god. Wait a minute. That's the girl from Friday 13 Part 2. Oh my god. The ending is boring. It's like 20 minutes long of talking. I guess it's important and all, but... In conclusion, aside of being over-exaggerated, I actually like A Night Violent Nature. It's a pretty cool movie. I like the unique element where it has no music and it's really like super realistic and it's kind of like super real life-ish, if that makes sense. And the kills are great in it. They're gory and stuff. Continue to use more in the next Horror Master movie. Okay, by the way, it's delayed, so it's not coming out this month, unfortunately, but it'll probably come out on summer vacation, so, yeah. Yay! Now, anyways, what should I do today? The Horror Master. I like my logo. Okay, but seriously, I'm actually getting really bored. I gotta do something. Ooh, I have a genius idea. Huh? Uh-oh. Wait, are you a new villain? Oh no, you have a pocket knife. Oh no, 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 no! Oh, hey, Simon Smoke. Hello. Seriously? You're not gonna do anything? Brother. Bruh. Look, I know everyone's bored today, but dressing up as this costume is so weird. Yes, I understand today's a very, very boring day. But, however, you can have fun by having a dance party. You can have fun by, I don't know. Oh yeah, you can run around outside. It's definitely not nice though. You can play with that toy box down there. What do you want to do? No, silly. Killing is not the right choice. Of course it is not. You can have fun in many other ways. We're in this bright, colorful world. Day or night, it's okay. You just need to get your head across. And yeah, and I find when nature may be tired, so don't watch that movie unless if you just drink 2 cups of Coca-Cola or something. Okay, so what do you want to do? Nothing? You just want to sit there bored? You gotta find something to do. Ooh, I know. You can jump around and get all of your energy out. Just keep going. That's it! I'm done cosplaying. Are you cosplaying? A glitch? Yes, the glitch. Me. You cosplay as a killer? Yes, I can trick into killing you. Ha ha ha. But wait, think about it. We're all bored today. Why not have some fun? Oh, I'm gonna have fun by killing you. Wait. Do you want to do on a better day that's less boring? What? You're right. I haven't even planned anything today. This stupid costume. Well, I'm just bored. Everyone's bored today because of that stupid and a fun with nature movie. That made all of us bored. At least there's music playing. Yeah, but trust me, we're gonna have a much more entertaining day tomorrow. I guess you're right. I hate this. For even first spell is better than nothing. Yeah. Anyways, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in a much more entertaining video tomorrow. Yeah, I didn't feel like doing the Chucky ranking today. Sorry, guys. But I promise it'll come soon. Rankings are just hard to do these days. I don't know why. They used to be so easy back then, but now they're kind of hard. But you know what? It's fine. I promise it'll come soon. The wait will be worth it. I'm going to make it the best possible ranking ever. Now, if you guys want more content, well, go to my channel. I have over 1K videos on this channel, so you have a lot of content to watch. Horrormaster is a really fun channel, so if you're super bored today like me, then a Horrormaster will keep you entertained. And if you don't want to watch Horrormaster, watch other channels like Did Me or other stuff. I don't know. Just pick whatever you want to do today. Maybe you're going out to Chick-fil-A with your family or something. So enjoy that, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!